Hi there! Welcome to foodlabelmaker.com, a user-friendly tool designed to allow anyone to create compliant nutrition facts labels. Start by clicking the Add New Recipe button. This will open up the recipe setup page where you input some basic recipe details. First, type in your recipe name. Next, specify the number of packages and servings your recipe makes. And then choose a relevant recipe category from our drop-down list. You can also specify a suggested serving size if you want that to appear on your label. Click Continue and you will move to the Recipe Builder page where you can enter your recipe's ingredients. Start typing in your first ingredient, and you will notice that our smart search algorithm immediately suggests the most relevant options from our comprehensive database. Once you specify the amounts and the units, the label preview on the right-hand side will automatically update the nutrition facts of your label. You also have the option to enter a waste percentage if your ingredient is not used completely or some of it is left behind during recipe preparation. Add your next ingredient in the same exact way, and our tool will update your label accordingly. If you cannot find a specific ingredient, you can add your own custom ingredient to your personal database. You will then be able to use that custom ingredient in any of your recipes. If you want further customization, you can click the Customize Label button and modify your label according to your needs or different markets. You could change your label format by selecting one of our many regulatory compliant label styles. You can also customize the nutritional details on your label. Choose to show or hide any of the nutrients or vitamins based on your requirements. Instantly translate your label into one of our supported languages by clicking on this tab here. We also have the option for you to edit your ingredient and allergen statement lists here, as well as add your business name and address. Want an in-depth analysis of your recipe's nutrients, vitamins? Click on the Nutrition Breakdown feature here. This will give you a detailed overview of your recipe's data. You can view this data per serving or per 100 grams, selecting different nutrient filters in the form of pie charts, bar graphs, or table formats. Our tool is also a comprehensive recipe management solution helping you store, organize, and edit all your recipes in one place. You can easily duplicate, scale, and create sub-recipes with a single click. The recipe card feature here displays all your recipe's details from ingredients, allergens, cooking instructions, and photo of the dish. Once you are happy with your label, you can click the Download button to get a high-resolution image downloaded to your device here.